Yeah, look at that big eye. Yeah, fish on. Oh, double up. Double up. Yung bell. Ito na mayangat. Yeah. Makulay. Yes. Yeah. That's a good beating, man. Yung bell. Ito na mayangat. Yeah. Maputi. Maliit lang pala. But it's a good size. Good size maputi. Maliit na ano lang, palhook. Yan o, maliit na maputi. Na palhook. Mga kasel. Maputi. This. Uy, this one. Uy. Yeah. Yeah, look at that big eye. Yeah, fish on. Oh, double up. Double up. Good siya. Yeah. rin sa jig ko. Sa wakas. Yan o. Fish on mga ka-share. Fish number 2. Huli siya o. Walang kawala. Sa ibabaw na. Kinagat siya sa ibabaw. There you go. Fish on. Ayan, dalawa na sila. 2. Yes. Fish on na mga ka-share. Ayos, rock and roll. Ayan, nabinyagan na yung jig natin. Nabinyagan na rin sa wakas. Fish on mga ka-share. So first time pang makagatan tong jig natin dito ha. Field test kumbaga. So it's first time to get right on this. So palitan ko muna yung rig ko. Palitan ko muna ng bait. Then we'll cast another one again. Alright. Ay, yun lang. Tulay. Yes. Hindi pa natalo yung camera natin. Bigyan ng tulay mga ka-sir. Finally, fish on. 4th species for tonight. So we got mullet, we got a tulay, we had emperor fish, and now we got this. Look at that, good size. Let's get more. Just to get time. Let's get more. So I had a bite earlier too. Alright, let's turn it on when there's a bite, alright? Okay, last cast na po tayo mga ka-sir. We'll reach our time limit. So last cast and then we'll wrap it up. So for tonight, it's really unexpected really unexpected catch because we don't really expect. It's been a while since I caught something over here on the spot. So really unexpected that we caught 4 species. So 1 trevally, big eye jack, and then big eye scad, and then a mullet. Emperor fish. So got 4 species. So I think that's gonna be enough for tonight. I'll show you later on before I leave all my catches. Alright, rock and roll. One more unexpected catch mga ka-sir. A bumper fish. Yan, I don't know if this is good to eat. It's very big. Bumper fish. I don't know if that's a good eating, but we'll let him go. Alright. One. Bye. right? Puffer fish. So that's the fifth species that I've seen tonight. Pretty cool, pretty exciting night. So I'll see you when I'm ready to wrap it up, right? Let's go. Because we only plan to fish for like a couple of hours tonight, and our time passes. So that's why I said I didn't really expect that I'm gonna catch those fish that I caught for tonight. Very productive night, and I think I heard the bell ring. So wrap it up. Thank you, Lord. Alright, see you next time. Hope you like this video. Alright, till next time.